Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and today I have a plant unboxing video for you. I just got 2 packages here in the post, so I need to get these open and see what new, beautiful, rarish kind of plants I've got home this time. So straight to it. This was just in a plastic bag with a bit of paper around, so I really hope that this plant is okay, like this. Nothing extra. When I felt it in the post box, it was pretty cold. So that's it. Not much going on in the way of protection, so I just hope this is enough for this little thing. Oh! And the paper's just folded around, so it just fell out. Into the next one. And what is this? Now, this is a type of Hedera helix, which is an ivy, but this is a rarer type. It has these very kind of long leaves, and it also has leaves that are kind of star-shaped. So they'll have one long piece of the leaf here, and then the ones on the side will be smaller. It's a little bit broken up here. There are some very small ones there. This is some rooted cuttings, really cute, and I'm looking forward to getting that put in a pot. I think I'm going to take it to Crystal Cottage actually and have it in a hanging basket, because Hedera helix grows quite quickly and quite well in the right conditions. Hedera helix likes a lot of light, so I can have this hanging in our crystal library. There are 2 windows in there, a north-facing window and a west-facing window, so it should get plenty of light, and when the doors open it also has the south side windows. So it will do really well. I'll just let you have a much closer look. So there you have it. It's a little bit battered and bumped up because it was just in a bit of paper and in a plastic bag and then posted in the post. So it's a bit squashed and everything, but this will bounce back. There are so many new little leaves on it. Isn't that cute? I think that's rather cute. So I'm looking forward to those coming out and getting bigger, so you can see the real star-shaped effect of these ivy leaves. Hedera helix. So that was wonderful. It was the first one I got in the post. Cute. Right, so we'll put that to the side. And now we will get on with opening this bigger box here. Now I can feel it's heavier at the bottom. So this is a plant that I'm expecting to be in a pot and ready to be put on the side and acclimatized without having to do too much extra. Whereas this Hedera helix, I'm going to have to go out and pot up straight away. So let's just open the box. See if I can do this without getting all the paper everywhere. Now, there's a little package here. Ooh. Ah, that's why it was a bit heavy. It had a heat pack in here. I'm sure that's a heat pack. It had a heat pack in here to keep this plant safe and warm on its journey. Look at this. Brilliant. At this time of year, it gets colder out there. So these plants, if you want them to stay healthy during their journey, because in the post it's really, really cold, it's good to have a heat pack with your plant, so it's well worth paying the little extra money to do that. So that was great. Now, let me see what I have hiding in this mountain of paper. Ooh. Wait. Oh. Okay. 1 package, but I just want to check. If that's the only one in here, because you never know. Sometimes these things. Okay, yeah, that's the only one. Look, can make myself a whole new wig out of this. That's well, I know I've got a bit of a wig myself. It's enough. Right, let's see what we've got going on in this bubble wrap this time. So, it's not ended up being how I thought. I thought it was a plant in a pot, but it's obviously not a plant in a pot, so I'm going to have to go and pop this up as well. We'll see. Let me see what it is. Look at this. Look at this in a beautiful yellow packet. This goes on and on. First all the shredded paper in the box, and then the newspaper, and now this lovely yellow paper. And this is now stapled together. And it has my name on it, so that's really nice. Anyway, let's just get on with this. Oh, happy plant day! Ooh. So, this is really well packed in. Those staples make it a bit difficult to open though. But this person, this sender has really made sure that this plant was going to make it here well. And not just that, another box. You know, this is starting to turn into a babushka. You know, a babushka, you know, the Russian doll thing where you take the one out the other, out the other, out the other, and then in the end, it's like this. That big box that I thought was a big plant, I don't know, might be a few centimetres in the end, but we'll see. So this should be the last wrapping, and once again, my name is written down there, Wesley. Right, now I need to start being careful because we are nearly close to the plant itself. So I don't want to go ripping it up now after all this. What are you? What are you? Oh, I can't wait to see. What are you? Get in there, get in there, get in there, get in there. Oh my, I am so happy. Now I have another philodendron to add to my collection. Now, my philodendron collection is getting enormous. I don't know how many philodendrons I have now. Maybe like 12 or something like that. I need to do, at some point soon, I need to go and count my inventory because I've made an Excel sheet with the names of my plants, which is like this, but I haven't actually counted how many plants I have, and I haven't counted how many philodendrons I have, and how many calathea I have, and how many everything else I have, because I have so many different things now. So I need to do an inventory soon, and that is both here in our apartment and our Crystal Cottage in the northern part of Skåne, where I have many more and different house plants and many more philodendrons. So, wow. Anyway, this beautiful little beauty that has two bigger leaves and a smaller one coming up, and I can see it's residing in a little bit of sphagnum moss at the moment. I'll check after to see if it has any roots at all so I can plant it, or if I should need to leave it in the sphagnum moss for a little bit longer. This little beauty is called Philodendron Martianum Fat Boy Yellow. Fat Boy Yellow? You don't look so fat to me. You look like a little cute skinny thing with skinny leaves. But this is Philodendron Martianum Fat Boy Yellow. And it is beautiful. It is yellowy. It's got this yellowy tone to the leaves and the stems, everything, every part of it. And it's so cute. So, let me take you in for a little closer look here. Can you see them properly? Aren't they lovely? And if I turn it around, you can see the leaves there. And if I bring it in a bit closer so you can see the one leaf here, you can really see what it looks like. Isn't that lovely? And the little one you can see in the middle there. And then here you can see the back of the leaf. And I'll show that on the bigger one too, so you can see the colour. There you can see the back of the leaf on the larger one. Now that's really cute. So of course I'm really, really pleased about this beautiful Philodendron Martianum Fat Boy Yellow. It's such a strange name. But just think about Philodendron Martianum, because that's what it is, and it's lovely, and it's going to join my collection and grow out and be nice and big. This kind of plant grows out in a rosette shape rather than being a long vining plant. It gets more rosetty, so it will get a lot of leaves growing out from its base, and it's just going to look beautiful with this yellowy tinge to it. So I'm really looking forward to that. So in this plant unboxing video, I got another two beautiful plants. This rarer kind of Hedera helix with this star-shaped leaves that are long and thin, and this beautiful Philodendron Martianum Fat Boy Yellow. Beautiful plants together, ready for me to go and pot up. So, thank you once again for watching Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson. Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video will be uploaded. And I will see you in another video very soon. Goodbye.